In just 3 minutes. Effortlessly clear 100 square meter lawn with this latest German cordless electric weeder. No need for gasoline or cordage, just plug in and go. It's 10 times more efficient than traditional weeders. Featuring an adjustable long shaft design, it allows for easy use without bending over. It's lightweight and effortless to operate. So even after 10 hours of continuous use, your shoulders won't feel tired. Suitable for both the elderly and children. Developed by Germany's century-old Power Institute over 10 years. It boasts an impressive speed of over 6,000 RPM. Delivering powerful performance that turns a day's work into just 20 minutes. The large-capacity lithium battery charges quickly and offers strong endurance. Working continuously for over 72 hours on a single charge. Equipped with carbon steel blades, it's durable and can easily tackle weeds in cracks and along roadsides without getting tangled. It's the preferred choice of many premium golf courses in the UK. Perfect for quick weed removal in gardens, parks, orchards, and fields. It's highly efficient and saves effort. Order today to enjoy a half-price discount for the first 100 customers. Plus receive a free big head attachment and fast charger. Guaranteed genuine with a 14-day free trial. If you're not satisfied, get a full refund. Comes with a 10-year warranty. Don't miss out on this limited time offer.